Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made this exact same video, and then one of my viewers mentioned, because I brought down some indexing lines to see if my text was level, because on a new way to a lot of people, to have text to path, if you just kind of go along till you get that cursor mark, and then you can start typing. If you're going to type on the bottom, I suggest you go ahead and mirror it so you can see it. And it kind of looks like it's not there. But I was trying to move it with the shape tool a while ago. Well, you need to move it with the pick tool and grab on that one node that's kind of red. You can barely see it, and move it around, and you will get that red line center mark to let you know it's in the center. And it actually kind of snaps to it. I hope your monitor, you can see that red path. So I made a little faux pas, and I was almost thinking about taking that other video down, but this will just give you a little bit more information. So I was trying it with the pick tool and moving my text around the path, and I was not getting the line. So you need to use the pick tool instead of the shape tool, and you can barely see that that node is red. I don't think it'll work with any other node. Well, it does. It'll work with any node. So right there is right in the center instead of bringing down, and a lot of times it doesn't work with capital letters anyway, but you can kind of see if it's in the middle. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and I thank that viewer for reminding me of that. Thank you for watching.